We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I'm coming to you with my most recent Ulta haul. And you guys, I had no idea that Ulta was having their 21 days of beauty. I was online, saw a little something about Ulta, and then I just went directly to the website, and it had started on Sunday. So I jumped in, looked around, saw what I wanted, and made my purchase. So we'll go ahead and go off of what I purchased. Everything is in this little bag right here. And then I'm going to talk a little bit about my thoughts on the rest of the eyitems that are a part of the 21 Days of Beauty. The Benefit eyebrow pencils on sale. They are called the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I got number 5. I went ahead and bought 2 because they are half off. I've used them in the past, and the one that I got looks exactly like this, you guys. It's the number 5. Right now I'm using the one from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. I'm using that one, and I like this one a whole lot more. So with that being said, I went ahead and bought 2 of them. I won't be running out of this anytime soon. Let me go ahead and put this back up. And I'm almost out of the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Anastasia of ABH. I'm almost out of the one from ABH. And I wanted to go ahead and go over to this, and I'm so happy that I decided to pick up 2. And they also had, I don't know what this is called, but they had like I think it's a beauty steal, and it was 50% off as well, but you had to be a platinum or diamond or something like that. And I am platinum thanks to my stick-to-itiveness from last year. I stuck in there and I spent all my money and I made platinum. So I think I'm gonna have to do that again this year. I have not made rouge for Sephora, and really I haven't really been shopping at Sephora. I mostly go and shop at Ulta now, so I think that's where I'm gonna move on over to, which is Ulta. The next thing that I got was this item right here, and this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. You guys, I have not had a misting spray in a minute, and wearing these masks and getting all that makeup on my mask, I'm kind of hoping that this will help with that. But anyways, this item right here ended up being $16.50 because it was 50% off, and because it was 50% off, I went ahead and got 2. So that's what I got on the first day. Those were the only things that I thought were beneficial to me. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the rest of the 21 Days of Beauty. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on everything.
The only thing that I saw on the 31st was the Beauty Blender Cleansing Bar. I would have gotten that, but I already have something that I use to clean my brushes and sponges, so that's the only reason why I didn't get that. I have had that in the past, and it is amazing, so I love it. September the 1st, the only thing that I have used from September the 1st sale is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, and I did like it in the past, but I have so much setting powder and just loose powders altogether. I'm not getting any more. Not going to do it.
Okay, so let's go on to the second, and on the second they have I don't see anything that I would want. They have the KKW. I would never buy anything KKW, and they have the Cervitali, whatever that is. They have it, and I've not used it, so I can't recommend anything on the second. On the third, The one thing that I really thought about getting was the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. But like I said before, I have so much setting powder and so much loose powder. No, she can't do it. And then let's talk about the 4th. On the 4th, I really, if I wasn't getting the Superhero Mascara from QVC on auto delivery, if I wasn't getting that, I would most definitely get the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. It is going to be on sale for $12.50. I would definitely get that. That mascara is so good. So if I wasn't getting the other thing, I would definitely get that, but I can't right now. I can't. On the 5th, I really want to try the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's going to be on sale for $12.50. I'm really thinking about getting that just to try it and see if I like it. That's about the only thing. The next thing that they have is the Tula Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. I'm kind of intrigued by that. I don't even understand what that is, so I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and look up some reviews to see what this is. On the 6th, I most definitely want to try the Anastasia, the ABH foundation. I really want to try that just to see if I like it. I never picked it up before, so since this is going to be on sale for $19, which is half off, I really want to try that. And the 7th, I can't do the setting. I can't do it. And I really I have had the Too Faced I think it's Natural Palette. I have had that before. And if you are a newbie to makeup, get it. If you are someone who loves a natural everyday eye look, get it. So that's something that I really can recommend. On the 8th, I don't have a wand for anything on that page. On the 9th, I've tried Becca's primers and I'm not impressed. No, I wouldn't get it again. And the MAC lip products, those are just not colors that I would want to buy as of right now. For the 10th, I really want to try the Cover FX bronzer blush duo. I didn't get on that bandwagon the last time, and I'm kind of thinking I might want to, but I'm really not sure. I don't know. Okay, so let's look at the 12th, and I would never get a Kylie Cosmetics anything, so no. But the Mario Badescu Grab and Go, I would say try that because both of those products work very well. Love both of them, especially the one for like your pimples to dry those out. It is phenomenal. So definitely try that if you want to. If you're just trying to get into that brand, that's a good way to try it and do it. On the 13th, you guys, I really do want to try the Too Faced Hangover Primer or Setting Spray. It's either going to be $16.50 or between $16.50 to $17.50 for each item. I'm really thinking I might pick one or both of those up because I've heard so many people say so many wonderful things about those two that I feel like I need to try it. And for the 14th, I would most definitely try the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner if I was not already getting the Superhero liquid liner from QVC. I get that on auto delivery as well. So I get 2 of those sent every, I don't remember how many months, but I don't have to worry about liquid liner. So I won't be picking that up. It is only $11. So I would suggest that you pick that up if that's something that you're in need of. I do not do the faux seal, the booster mascaras business where you put the white and then put the black on. I don't do that, you guys. I didn't have good results with that in the past, so that's not something that I like, because I feel like when I would put that on and then put my mascara on, it would flake, and I don't have time for it. On the 15th, they have the Crepe Erase Body Primer Treatment and the Benefit Cosmetics Cakeless Concealer. I'm already set with the Tarte Shape Tape, so I cannot see myself doing that. And I really wanted to try the Crepe Erase, but if I was to try Crepe Erase, I would not do it with Ulta. I'm so sorry to say that. I would most definitely go onto the QVC website, and honey, they have the best deals. But I also was told that Crepe Erase is like an overpriced butter, so like a cocoa butter or like a shea butter or something like that. So that just made me be like, I'll stick with my Josie Maran and my coconut oil, and I'm set. Okay, on the 16th, they have the Smashbox primers, and it is on sale for $19.50. And I'm intrigued. I would think about it. I have Smashbox primers as we speak, and I don't use them. So I don't know that I will buy this one, but these two are different from the ones that I have. So do you try more when you don't really care to use the ones that you already have? I don't know. And the other item I've never used, so I can't recommend. On the 17th, Tarte has the Lights Camera Lashes mascara on sale, and it is going to be $11.50. And you already know she don't need any mascara right now, so I won't be getting it. And then the Dermalogica, I've never used Dermalogica before, so that's not something that I can speak on. So on the 18th, what's going on the 18th? ABH has a brow starter kit, and it is $19. I don't know what this entails. What is this? Let's see if I can find out what it is. Okay, this kit is normally $38, and it has 3 items in it, and I believe they're all full size. I don't know if they're full. No, they're all minis. So the kit comes with the mini brow definer, the mini dip brow gel, mini brow wiz skinny brow pencil, and the mini clear brow gel. Okay, so it has a lot in it. I still don't want it. Okay, so let's go back to Okay, and then moisturizer from Clinique. It's going to be $11. You guys, I don't want to say I'm set on my makeup, my skincare routine. I have a lot of skincare in my little routine. But if I see something else on QVC, more than likely I'm gonna get it. But as of right now, no, I'm not buying anything extra. And if I was, I would just go to QVC and try to get a good deal. And so let's go on to the 19th. And the 19th is the last day. And on that day, they have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. And this is going to be on sale for $19.75. And I've had the foundation from IT Cosmetics before, and I love it and I hate it. I love it and I hate it. So I don't believe that I'm gonna buy this foundation. Also, they have the IT Cosmetics is it one brush? Yeah, the number 77 brush is going to be $14. And the brush bath by IT Cosmetics is going to be $9.75. I almost said that I've heard good things. I really haven't heard good things about this. I've just heard good things from QVC about this. So I try not to just hear things from QVC and then buy it. I try to listen to the little infomercial that they do, and then I go to YouTube and look up who has it and if they really like it, or I just read the reviews. So I don't know if that is as good as they say it is, but the reps from it say that it's amazing. But you guys, that's everything that is with the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. And those are my recommendations, my thoughts, and my thoughts on what I plan on getting. So what do you plan on getting? Do you plan on getting anything? I'm gonna have to put these dates into my planner just so that I can make sure, and also on my phone, so that I can make sure that I don't forget dates, because every year I always forget. I'll be wanting something and I'll forget that on that day. I will forget. The next day will be something I definitely don't want, and that'll be the day that I remember. So, but anyways, you guys, until next time, like, comment, and subscribe.
I'll be right beside you.